Hello everybody, welcome back. In our 9th episode of History Behind the Find, we will discuss the Yale Lock Company, some of our favorite types of locks to find metal detecting. Here are two that I dug myself. Yale is one of the oldest international brands in the world, and one of the best known names in the locking industry. The Yale history captures major innovations that have marked the evolution not just of Yale, but of the entire locking industry. Yale has its roots in colonial America. The Yale family decided to immigrate to the New World from North Wales a few generations later. About 1840, Linus Yale Sr. began designing and manufacturing a series of innovative, high-security locks at his Yale Lock shop in Newport, New York. He specialized in expensive handmade bank locks. Yale Jr. was also experimenting with a lock based on a mechanism first employed by the ancient Egyptians over 4,000 years ago. Granted patents in 1861 and 1865, Yale finally succeeded in creating his most important invention, the Yale cylinder lock. Linus Yale Jr. transformed the locking industry forever with his many breakthrough inventions. Relying on Yale patents, Yale's sterling name, and sheer ingenuity, Linus Yale Jr. and his colleague Henry Town established the Yale and Town Company in 1868, at the time employing 35 people. The company grew and broadened its scope within manually operated chain hoists, battery-powered platform trucks, and in 1879 a line of padlocks was introduced. Yale and Town purchased a Norton Door Closer Company and H&T Vaughan Limited in the early 20th century. The company expanded worldwide and employed more than 12,000 staff. Throughout the 20th century, purchases, acquisitions, and joint ventures with brands as Gully, Chubb Locks, Parker's, and C.E. Marshall have made Yale locks well known worldwide. In August 2000, Yale was purchased by Assa Abloy, the world's leading lock group. Thanks for watching this week's episode of History Behind the Find. Remember, it's not just what we find, but what we find out. Please like and subscribe.